Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to disconnect your domain from your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of your Squarespace where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here, under which we can find all the websites that we have, as well as our domains and everything we need to know regarding the website. So let's go ahead and see how to disconnect a domain we did not want to use anymore, so that we can either replace it, add a new one, and so on. Basically guys, all we have to do on this main website right here, on this main page, all you have to do is go right here next to the dashboard and click on domains. So click on domains guys, and after selecting domains, you can see this is now going to open up this new menu where you can find all the domains you're using for your websites. And currently I do not have any domains, so I cannot show you directly, but your domains are going to appear right here, and next to every of the domains is going to appear three dots option. Once you click those three dots, it's going to open up a menu that says that you can go ahead and remove this domain, remove it from your websites, and so on. And this is where you can get started with selecting what you need to do. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.